You can expect a lot from the 2015 Dodge Journey.
Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rear wipers, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.